Welcome to Christmas in July 2025. Yay! I'm so excited for this event. This is day one, July 1st, and I have been planning this for months. So I just can't wait to share all the stuff I came up with for this event. If you don't know who I am, my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distant. I am so glad you're here, and I cannot wait to share some of the things I came up with, planned, whatever it might be, for this month. Over the years, I've thought about doing this event and never have, and my main goal for this is to really get everybody ready for the holidays. And I know it seems early, but it's really not, because it takes time to make quilts and projects for the holidays, whether it's for ourselves or for other people or to decorate or whatever it may be. It does take time, and we've all been there at the last minute. At least I have. Maybe you have too. Let me know in the comments. Christmas Eve, working on that project that needs to be done. For me, it was my grandmother. I can remember it clearly. And staying up all night trying to get it done for Christmas morning. I hate that stress. I really like to enjoy the holidays. So I learned a few years ago that I needed to start in July to get started making things and planning things. Each day I will be posting a video. Now, I am pre-recording these. It's about a week before the 1st right now, so I'm in June. But every Tuesday during the month, I will do a question and answer. So there'll be 4 of them. I'll put the dates right here. You can submit questions for me, and I will record that particular video a day or two before that Tuesday. The reason I'm doing it this way is because I want to give you quality videos each day, and I needed to have a little bit of time to do that and to edit, but I also wanted to be able to connect with you and answer any questions ongoing that you may have. So this was kind of my happy medium, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. A couple other things is I do have a blog that I'm going to update daily, so I'll put all the links to this below, and I have a newsletter that's specifically for this event, and I'll put a link to that so you can sign up. Get reminders. I'm not going to flood your email every day, but probably I'm thinking every 5 days, 6 days, I'll send out an email of just everything that's going on and links to the videos, so in case you missed one, you can go back and check it. So you're probably wondering what you're going to get out of this, and I have I think it's 14 projects that we'll be doing this month, or tutorials on the projects. We have an ongoing quilt that we're going to be making. I'm going to have downloadables, all kinds of stuff that we're going to be doing this month. I want to make sure that you are ready for whatever it is that you're celebrating, whether it's Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or whatever it is, even if you're just wanting to make some fall quilts or quilts for charities. It doesn't matter, because all of these patterns and everything I'm going to show you will translate well into other projects too. If you know me, I like to give you some sort of value in any video that I make, and that's so important to me. So hopefully you can join me for this. Make sure you subscribe, like, all of that stuff. Comment below. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments. You can email them to me. I'm also on all of the socials, so you can check me out there if you want to. I can't wait to get started and share some of these wonderful ideas with you and build that community as we get ready for the holiday season. Each day I am going to give you a teaser for stuff that's coming up, and tomorrow we're going to be gathering fabric, seeing what we have, seeing what we may need, and talking about all of that. On Thursday, the 3rd, we are going to be starting our first project. I think I said that earlier, and it's going to be an ongoing scrap quilt using our Christmas fabric. Now you can use other colors too, but I'll explain all of that on Thursday. And then Friday, I have something special. I just have so many cool stuff planned, and I can't wait to share them all with you. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you tomorrow, and I hope you take some time to sew. I'll see you soon. Bye.